Hey, welcome to Fluent Fables. This video is made for you, the learner who wants to understand English in a clear and simple way. Every day you read headlines, watch videos, scroll on social media, and listen to news updates. But sometimes the English feels fast, confusing, or difficult. Do not worry. In this video, you and I will explore English step by step. You will learn how reporters speak, how headlines work, how presenters use their voice, and how social media teaches you everyday expressions. Each chapter will give you easy examples, friendly guidance, and small habits you can use in real life. Chapter 1. How you can understand English in news. You listen to the news every day, and sometimes it feels difficult. But do not worry. You can understand it step by step. When you hear English news, you notice that reporters speak clearly. They use short sentences. They want you to understand everything without stress. When you watch the news today, you hear words like update, announce, and report. These words may sound new, but soon they become familiar. You just need to listen with patience. You have learned many words already, and you will learn more as you keep listening. Sometimes you miss a sentence. Sometimes you understand everything. Both situations are normal. You are improving. You are growing. You are becoming a better listener. You can also read news articles. When you read slowly, you see how sentences are formed. You see how the past tense, present tense, and future tense are used. You understand how information is shared in a simple and clear way. Right now, you are reading this chapter, and you are learning something new. Tomorrow, you will listen to a short news clip, and you will understand more than today. One day, you will listen confidently and feel proud of yourself. News will not feel difficult anymore. It will feel friendly. It will feel useful. It will feel like a daily teacher for you. Chapter 2. How headlines teach you quick and clear English. You see headlines everywhere. They appear on news apps, websites, television screens, and newspapers. A headline is short, but it tells you the main idea in just a few words. You read it once, and you understand what the story is about. Headlines use powerful words. They use action verbs. They use simple structures. For example, you read lines like, "Rain returns tomorrow," "City opens new park," or "School wins big award." These sentences do not have many small words, but they are still clear. When you read headlines today, you start to notice patterns. You see that many headlines use the present tense, even for future events. This style makes the story sound active and important. You learn how English creates attention. You can practice with a small exercise. You read a headline first and guess the story. Then you read the full report and check your guess. When you do this, your brain becomes faster. You start to think in English. You may feel confused the first time, but you will understand more with practice. You will recognize new words. You will remember them. One day, you will read any headline and understand it in 1 second. Headlines are short teachers. They guide you every day. They help you learn English quickly, clearly, and confidently. Chapter 3. How television and radio help you speak naturally. You listen to television and radio, and you notice something special. Presenters speak in a smooth and friendly voice. They use simple sentences. They make every message clear for you. This style helps you learn natural English without pressure. When you watch a news presenter today, you hear phrases like "at the moment," "on the other hand," and "in other news." These phrases connect ideas. You can use the same phrases in your daily conversations. They make your speech sound confident and organized. Sometimes you may feel that the presenters speak fast, but do not worry. Your ears will adjust. You have understood many words already, and you will understand more tomorrow. You only need regular practice. You can try a small exercise. You listen to a short report. You pause it, then you repeat the report in your own words. Maybe you will make mistakes. Maybe you will speak slowly. Both situations are fine. You are learning. When you listen every day, you notice a big change. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your voice becomes stronger. Your speech becomes smooth. One day, you will speak with the same confidence that you hear on television and radio. These media are not just for information. They are your friendly teachers, guiding you toward natural and confident English. Chapter 4: How Social Media Helps You Learn Everyday English. You open social media every day. You scroll, you read posts, you watch short videos, and you see many small sentences. These short messages teach you the kind of English people use in daily life. It is simple, it is quick, it feels natural. When you read a post today, you may see lines like, "This made my day," "Look at this," or "I had a great moment." These are not difficult sentences, but they show real feelings and real conversations. You can use the same expressions when you speak with others. Sometimes social media feels very fast. New words appear, new styles appear. You may feel confused, but do not worry. You will understand more when you keep reading and listening. You have learned many simple expressions already, and you will learn more tomorrow. You must also be careful. Not every sentence on social media has the correct spelling or grammar. So choose good pages, trusted creators, and educational channels. They give you clean, clear English. You can practice in a fun way. You read one short post and try to explain it in your own words. You comment with a simple sentence. You write a small caption for a picture. These small actions help you think in English. Social media can be noisy, but it can also be your friendly classroom. It teaches you everyday English that feels real, modern, and alive. Chapter 5: How You Can Improve Your English Every Day with News and Media. You want to improve your English, and you can do it with small daily habits. You do not need long study hours. You only need a few minutes each day. And news and media can help you in a simple and natural way. When you wake up, you can listen to a short news update. You may not understand everything at first, but you will understand something. Tomorrow, you will understand more. This is how learning grows. During the day, you can read 2 or 3 headlines. These headlines give you new words and new ideas. You start to recognize patterns. You begin to think faster in English. In the evening, you can watch one short video in English. You listen to how people speak. You notice the tone, the pauses, and the expressions. You can repeat a few lines. You can practice in front of a mirror. You may feel shy at first, but soon you feel confident. When you follow good pages and trusted channels, you learn the correct style of English. You learn polite expressions. You learn clear sentences. You learn how to share information in a simple way. Every small step counts. One day, you will look back and realize how much you have improved. News and media were not just tools. They were your friendly partners in your English journey. You have completed all the chapters, and you have learned something new in each one. You now understand headlines better. You listen more clearly. You speak more confidently, and you use news and media in a smart way. Remember, improvement happens a little every day. Listen to short updates. Read simple headlines. Watch friendly videos. Use English without fear. If you enjoyed this video, share it with others who want to learn English in an easy and natural way. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep believing in yourself. I will meet you again in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep shining.